If you're new or haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified for every new recipes.
Hello everybody, once again welcome back to Tanya's kitchen, and my name is Mayank, her husband, and I'm gonna be sharing another incredible recipe with you guys. It barely takes 5 minutes. It's yogurt recipe. Many of us know it by Raita. Yogurt, as you might already know, it's very good as a probiotic and should be included in our daily lifestyle diet. So I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna cook with you today, and what I'm gonna cook today is aloo raita, which is potato raita. So let me show you the ingredients and let's get started with it. Before that, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, you better click that subscribe button and the bell icon so that you don't miss any another delicious recipe posted here. So okay, so the ingredients, I have some yogurt, and yogurt, look at this. It's Greek yogurt, it's very creamy. I haven't added any water or anything. I've just whisked it to make it smooth. Then I have got some potatoes, and just to show you, there is some very finely chopped onion to it. And in addition to that, I have some cumin and crushed red pepper. Like I have broken the whole red pepper into like smaller pieces. Then I have some black salt. Black salt is very good for digestion, so I'm gonna use that. I'm gonna use some cilantro, and I have literally a little bit of oil in here in which I'm gonna just roast this and top it off my yogurt. So what I'm gonna do right now is I already have this, and I'm gonna add the black salt to it. So let's just go. And you guys will notice that the black salt tries to lumps up very easily. So you probably just wanna crush the lumps and then add some black salt. Here right now. Feel free to control the amount as per your taste, and then just mix it really nice. So once again, if you want to add some water or make it less creamy or thick, feel free to do that as well. But me, I'm cooking it as is without adding any water. As a suggestion, if you don't want to dilute it with water, you can also add whole milk. So I think all the lumps are gone, and look at this. So next up, I'm just gonna add all my potatoes and onions in there. So they all go in and mix it really nice. Now some people do like their aloo raita or potato raita without onions. The only reason I like it with onions is because it gives you a crunch. So Tanya and I, we both love something crunchy in our food, and that's why I just always like to add some onion. Another thing you can actually add in here is some green chilies. I am opting out of that today because I'm gonna just use this. So now this part is done. Part 2, we are gonna go and roast this and top it off. So let's move to the okay, so my oil is heated up here. All I'm gonna do is add this, and this is gonna immediately, it just started to splatter all around, and now I can smell all the cumin in there, and I'm just gonna add a little bit of this, and this goes off, and this goes out. That's it. So I'm gonna show you guys how I top it off and serve this raita. Okay, so I showed you guys what I had here, and what I do is like I like to top it off here. It's deliciousness. I'm gonna take every single cumin out of that because it's so delicious. Now you can see how crunchy this is. I just wanted to show you this. If you can hear the crunch, I mean, I can literally, if I break it, look at this. It's not like that soggy pepper anymore. So it really induces a lot of flavor in this. So this is how I like to serve this, and there we go, your raita is ready. Let's taste it. So let's take the whole bite. Potato in there, cumin, and where was this the whole time? Those of you who doesn't know me, potato is my favorite ingredient. It's my favorite vegetable. Add it to anything. I won't say anything. Some things I don't like it to add it, but it is my favorite. And this is after a very long time that I'm cooking this, so I wanted to do a recipe, and thanks to Tanya's Kitchen that they let me do it. So this is amazing. One more time, don't worry about the exact ingredients and everything. You can find it in the description box below. Just click the link, view, save, print, whatever you like to do with the recipe if you cannot follow this up. And don't forget to subscribe and show a lot of love to this channel. See you next time in another delicious recipe. Bye bye.